Just how loud is a server? Today, we're going to be tackling the question that's on many of your minds. It's not easy to convey the actual sound levels, so I've gone the extra mile and purchased a $15 decibel meter. This should give you a more accurate sense of the noise you can expect. The server comes with 5 inbuilt fan speed settings. I'll be recording the sounds at each of these levels and showing you the decibel meter readings. This is so you can get a good sense of how it would sound in your home. My specific configuration has 21 disk drives, so the sound levels may differ to your setup. This is a setup I'm going to be using. At the front I've got the Tascam X8, right next to it I've got a lav mic, as well as the $15 decibel meter that I got on Amazon. And on top we do have the camera pointing down at the meters, as well as an SM57 mic at the back. All these inputs feed back into the same Tascam recorder. This is going to be an auditory experience, so I would recommend getting comfortable with a good set of headphones.